Hi friends, and today we'll see how to animate the glittering, shining tree, for example, in Photoshop. So we have such a nice tree, and let's create few copies of our background layer. So I'm pressing Ctrl G, for example, 3 times. So let's go to the very first layer, background, and I'm going to dodge tool. This is very easy way to do shining effect. So I think maybe a little bit bigger size of pretty soft brush, and exposure, let it be maybe a little bit more than 50%, 55, 60, it's okay. And I'm just doing in different places some spots painting with this brush, maybe to increase exposure, 70. Okay, now I'm going to the next level and do the same, different places. Level, the same. Next level. This have to be different. Something like that. Okay, now we have to do the animation. So we are going to Window, find Timeline, and create frame animation is good for us. We're not changing anything. If it would be create video timeline, we'll change it to create frame animation, like we have it. So we're choosing very first layer and going to this button. And very first layer is on the first place. And now we're going to this hamburger menu, clicking on it and choosing make frames from layers. And all our 4 layers are frames. Now we have to choose the duration of those frames. I want them to be the same. I'm just going to the very first frame and clicking Shift, go to the very last one, clicking on it. Now all frames are chosen, and here I'm choosing the duration like 0.2 seconds. Let us see how it works. Here don't forget to choose for our case forever, repeating, and let us see. So pretty nice animation, and we just have to save it. Go to Export, Save for Web, and here just be sure that you have chosen GIF. Save. And here you just have to choose where, the place, file name, and save. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!